Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to send money to Pakistan with Sendwave. This is easy to do. The first step we need to do is open our Sendwave app, and once we open the app, we need to select this option below. Um, we're gonna click this option, this icon right here, and then we're gonna confirm our identity to verify our account. To do this, we need to upload one ID photo or other documents. Okay, it's really easy to do. It's really simple. Um, Also, you need to add a payment info. Clicking this option right here, and once you do this, well, you will have your identity confirmed. And to add the content to send the money, you need to click this button right here, and then here you can select the country. In this case, we need to select Pakistan to um, to send the money to this country in specifically. Okay, and then we need to select the payment method. We need to add the info of the contact. Once we do that, well, right here you can type the name of the person that will receive the name, and here you can select your amount to send, and the person will receive this in his currency. It's really easy. Once you do that, you need to click right here, continue to send the money. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.